Welcome to Eastern Paradigm. I am Xavier Basumatari. After resigning from the Indian National Congress Party, Daniel Langthasa, also known as Development Maker, is contesting in Dima Hasao Council Election as independent candidate. He has been a vocal advocate for the people of Dima Hasao. The recent videos of his campaigning in Dima Hasao Council Election, we find him in a unique style. He appealed to the public at Haflong Town by rapping in the street. The video of his performance has gone viral on social media, attracting millions of social media users.
Merit में नौकरी देगा सब जात मिलके उठा इन ऑटो रिक्शा ऑटो जिंदाबाद 8 तारीख को मत भूलो वोट देने के लिए ऑटो रिक्शा में हाफलोंग में वोट फॉर डेनियल लंथासा ऑटो जिंदाबाद इंडिपेंडेंट जिंदाबाद ऑटो रिक्शा जिंदाबाद इधर उधर होके लाभ नहीं है हाफलोंग में डेनियल लगता उपाय नहीं है अनजान होके लोकल होके अनजान थोड़ा तो सोचो वोट फॉर लोकल